Curing cancer. It may be medicine's greatest and most vexing challenge. Doctors have found better ways to treat cancer, and overall deaths are on the decline. But no medication, no treatment can yet quickly rid your body of cancerous cells. That is, until now. CBS 12's Juan Carlos Fanjul is here with what promises to be an amazing breakthrough, a possible cure for cancer. Juan Carlos.
Indeed, Kurt, scientists have always known certain people just don't get cancer, even when exposed to cancer-inducing agents such as cigarettes. Now, what makes those people immune to the disease is being developed to kill cancer, a possible cure in humans that may be found right here in Palm Beach County. You are looking at microscopic video of cancer cells being eradicated. They're literally being popped at the top and at the bottom by special healthy cells. Proof researchers say that a cure is out there. A cure is what millions like Eileen Fleming have been looking for. The 49-year-old in a fight for life with Hodgkin's lymphoma, a form of cancer which formed a malignant tumor in her right lung.
It weakens you, you get sick, you get tired.
But as it turns out, Eileen and other cancer patients may one day not have to undergo chemo. Just a transfer of cells. As the elusive cure for cancer, a godsend for millions around the world, could be coming. Not from the heavens, but from this Boynton Beach-based medical building.
Big news. I'm really excited for, this program.
So do you want me to sign off on it?
Yes. Dr. Maharaj, a hematologist and stem cell transplant specialist, will soon hold a clinical trial at the South Florida Bone Marrow Stem Cell Transplant Institute that could prove the cure for cancer has already been found. It all started with his partner, Wake Forest University professor Zane Cooey, who's done cancer research on lab mice for years. He found mice who never got cancer, even after being exposed to it, and then determined that certain white blood cells within their immune system prevented them from getting the cancer.
What he was also able to find was that he could transfer those cells from the mice that would not get cancer to mice that actually had cancers induced and also developed cancer, and he was able to cure the mice of those cancers.
Back to that video here showing a cancer cell being attacked by the smaller white blood cells. The cancer cell literally exploding and disappearing. After 10 years of research on mice, the FDA has approved Dr. Maharaj to try out the white blood cell infusion on human cancer patients at his institute.
My gut is that based upon what we have seen in the mouse model, where you have mice that can be cured of the cancer, my gut is that this looks very promising. We may have a potential cure for cancer.
Well, Dr. Maharaj has gotten federal approval to run this clinical trial. He still has to get through the financial hurdle. It takes $4 million to run a clinical trial on 29 patients. What he won't have a problem doing is finding donors of healthy cancer-fighting white blood cells. Donors like 21-year-old pre-med student Trevor Rayburn, who's already giving his blood to be included in the trial.
People around my age that can help out, we have much better immune systems just because we've been through a lot already growing up, and we're at our prime right now of what our white blood cells can do.
Cells that could be the key for a cure for cancer.
It's exciting, and knowing that, I'm in this position at this time, and I'm in his hands, and that I can get through this. And someday, hopefully he'll be walking around healthy.
Dr. Maharaj is reaching out to donors and philanthropists right now to get the funding necessary to run the clinical trial at his institute. He already has clients waiting to snag one of the 29 coveted spots and could start the clinical trial in the coming months, at which time we could find out if the cure for cancer is already here.